Hello there, wealth builders. Welcome to the channel where we make your financial aspirations a reality. Today, we'll look at something that every sensible spender should have in their toolbox. If you've ever wondered how to stretch your budget without sacrificing quality, you're in for a treat. Today's video is all about 6 money-saving hacks you must know. And believe me, this isn't your typical advice. These are game changers. Imagine if you could save more money each month, eliminate needless spending, and yet enjoy life's joys. Doesn't it sound great? That is precisely what we are here to do. So be sure to stay around to the end since these tricks might save you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to ensure you never miss out on our money-saving tips. Okay, let's get started and alter your money habits. Let's start with our first money-saving hack, the secret of automatic savings. Consider it like putting your automobile on cruise control. Once it's set, you don't have to keep adjusting the speed. Just enjoy the ride. That is precisely what automated savings can achieve for your financial path. Here's how it works. You create a system in which a specific amount of money is routinely moved from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts regularly weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. This ensures that you save regularly without having to manually transfer dollars every month. The beauty of automated savings stems from its simplicity and efficacy. By automating your savings, you consider them as a non-negotiable expenditure, similar to rent or utilities. This strategy makes it easy to develop a savings habit. It's like setting your funds on autopilot, so you don't have to worry about them. Over time, these little persistent transfers accumulate dramatically. Many individuals are shocked at how much they have saved just by setting up automatic transfers. It removes the desire to squander funds that should be conserved. It's also a great approach to make sure you're putting your finances first. Imagine the peace of mind that comes from knowing your funds are continuously increasing without any further work on your side. This is an important element of our money-saving hacks you need to know list, and it's one of the simplest improvements you can make for long-term financial security. Now, on to our next money-saving hack, the power of budgeting apps. If you're still keeping track of your costs on a piece of paper, it's time to update your method. Budgeting applications have transformed the way we manage our money by offering a digital platform for tracking expenditures, setting objectives, and gaining insights. So, what are budgeting apps and how do they work? These applications integrate with your bank accounts and credit cards to automatically monitor and classify your expenditures. They provide you with a clear picture of where your money is going and help you find areas where you may cut down. Many budgeting applications provide configurable spending categories, budget settings, and even warnings when you're approaching your budget restrictions. Some applications also have financial goal-setting capabilities, enabling you to budget for major purchases such as vacations or emergency cash. It's like having a personal money expert right in your pocket. Using these tools is an important part of our money-saving hacks. Analyzing your spending patterns and changing your budget can allow you to make better financial choices and prevent overspending. Furthermore, several applications provide insights and advice on how to better your financial situation depending on your spending habits. Embracing this technology demonstrates a proactive attitude to money management, which is critical for financial success. Imagine having complete control over your financial data, as well as fast access to insights and suggestions. It's like having a personal money coach with you every step of the way. This hack is about more than just saving money. It's about taking control of your financial destiny. Now, let's talk about one of the most underappreciated yet effective money-saving strategies, the art of negotiation. This is more than simply haggling at flea markets. It's about transforming price tags into possibilities and utilizing your negotiation abilities to acquire the greatest discounts. Negotiation may be used for a variety of costs, including regular payments and significant purchases. Did you know you can typically negotiate cheaper prices with your service providers for items like internet, cable, and insurance? It's a simple task that may result in huge savings. First, examine the market pricing for the services you use. When you contact your provider, tell them that you discovered better prices elsewhere. You'd be amazed how frequently businesses are eager to cut their pricing or provide extra benefits to maintain you as a client. Negotiation is not limited to service providers. It can also be used for purchases. When purchasing a vehicle, furniture, or appliances, don't be afraid to negotiate for a discount or additional features at no additional expense. Many vendors have pricing flexibility, but they may not provide it until you ask. This is another important aspect of our money-saving hacks that allows you to take control of your spending and get the most bang for your buck. Mastering the art of negotiating allows you to transform daily purchases into savings opportunities. So the next time you're confronted with a price tag, remember that there's always an opportunity for negotiation. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far and want more topics like this, comment the word saving hacks so I know. All right, let's go into one of my favorite money-saving strategies, embracing DIY projects. Why pay someone to accomplish something you can do yourself? From basic home repairs to innovative decorative projects, DIY can help you save money while learning new skills. DIY doesn't simply mean repairing leaking faucets and painting walls. It might include creating your own Christmas decorations, handmade presents, or even cooking meals at home rather than eating out. The options are limitless. And here's the best part. DIY projects often deliver a feeling of success and inventiveness that store-bought ones do not. For example, if you're wary of paying excessive costs for store-bought furniture, think about reusing or repairing older items. With a little paint and some ingenuity, you can give old furniture a new appearance. Alternatively, if you're a gourmet, try creating new foods at home instead of dining out. Another key point of these 6 money-saving hacks, because it pushes you to utilize your inventiveness and imagination. By adopting DIY, you not only save money, but also earn pride in your work. Additionally, DIY projects may be an enjoyable way to spend time with family and friends. So, the next time you have a possible expenditure, ask yourself whether there is a DIY option. With a little study and effort, you could discover that you can get the same outcomes for a fraction of the price. Now on to our 6th hack, the magic of cash. Back-end rewards programs. If you don't use cashback or rewards programs, you're losing out on a simple method to save money or receive incentives on your purchases. These initiatives are intended to provide you some compensation for spending money you would have spent regardless. Cashback programs allow you to earn a percentage of your purchase back in cash or as a credit to your account. Pride programs, on the other hand, provide points that may be redeemed for a variety of perks, including discounts, gift cards, and travel prizes. You may save money or get more bang for your buck by wisely using these programs. Here's a tip. Optimize your advantages by selecting credit cards or loyalty programs that are relevant to your spending patterns. For example, if you often eat out, a credit card with restaurant benefits may be great. If you travel often, consider cards that provide travel rewards and privileges. Therefore, this is an important part of our today's money-saving hacks because it transforms ordinary expenditure into a chance to save or make money. By being clever with your cashback and rewards programs, you may successfully lower your costs and increase your spending power. Check the terms and conditions of these programs frequently to guarantee you're getting the most out of them. And remember to utilize your prizes before they expire. Moving on to the next hack is all about the need for financial education. The more you learn about personal money, the more prepared you will be to make sound financial choices. Investing in your financial education is one of the most effective methods to attain long-term financial security and success. Financial education covers a wide range of topics, including budgeting, investing, debt management, and retirement planning. By learning about these topics, you will be able to make more educated judgments and avoid frequent financial mistakes. There are several tools available to assist you improve your financial literacy. You may read books by financial experts, take online courses, attend seminars, or watch instructional films such as this one. The idea is to continually broaden your knowledge and apply what you learn to your financial circumstances. A crucial step of this money-saving hacks, since it enables you to take charge of your money and make educated choices. Understanding financial principles and methods allows you to efficiently manage your money, grow wealth, and accomplish your financial objectives. Improving your financial literacy is an investment in your future. The more you know, the more prepared you will be to face financial obstacles and capitalize on possibilities for advancement. And there you have it, a list of 6 money-saving hacks you need to know. We've covered a lot of territory today, from automating your money and using budgeting applications to developing bargaining skills and digging into DIY projects. Each of these strategies provides a distinct method for managing and conserving money, and when combined, they may have a big influence on your financial health. Let's quickly go over everything we've talked about. First, automated savings automates your savings, guaranteeing that you constantly set away money without having to worry about it. This basic yet effective method is essential for developing a strong savings habit. Next, we looked at budgeting applications, which have transformed personal money management by giving you real-time insights into your spending habits. These applications allow you to see where your money is going and make educated choices to remain within your budget. Then we got into the art of negotiating. Whether you're negotiating bills or making a large purchase, developing this ability may result in significant savings and better bargains. Don't underestimate the effectiveness of a well-placed query or request for a discount. We also discussed adopting DIY projects. Rather than paying for services or goods that you can make or repair yourself, taking on DIY projects may be both cost-effective and satisfying. It's an excellent method to save money while personalizing your house and lifestyle. We also discussed cashback and incentive schemes. These programs allow you to get money back or receive incentives for purchases you would have made anyhow. You may use these programs carefully to lower your total expenditures and get more value for your money. Finally, we underlined the value of financial education. Continuously learning about personal finance enables you to make more informed choices, prevent expensive errors, and accomplish your long-term financial objectives. Investing in your financial knowledge is one of the best things you can do for your future. Implementing these 6 money-saving hacks needs consistency and adaptability. No one hack can revolutionize your finances overnight, but when combined and used regularly, they may result in significant gains in your financial well-being. Remember, the purpose of this video is to educate you on various aspects of investing, and not to give you any specific investment advice. Investing involves risks and uncertainties, and you should always do your own research and consult with qualified professionals before making any financial decisions. However, past performance does not guarantee future results, and you should always consider the risk of investments before putting your money at stake. Now, if you found this video helpful, I highly recommend watching my next video, which is the perfect complement to this one. Do not hesitate to share this video. It may help someone. Subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts on today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.